On September 8, 2025, a motorcycle pursuit in rural Ohio ended in the woods, where deputies were forced to make a split-second decision.
No traffic.
We're going to be approaching Stanhope now. I'll advise you which way to go. I see you over there.
Yeah, I'm at the intersection. Going through private property, Graham.
Okay, south on Stanhope, speeds are 54.
Southbound on Stanhope, speed 54.
Good boy.
Alright, so far. How to do a stop. Approaching Anderson, coming to a stop. East on Anderson. Continue east on Anderson. Wrecked on foot. Now wrecked on foot. Before the bike is caught on fire, if you can send fire.
Shots fired.
Everybody good?
Shots fired.
Everybody good? We're good. Everybody good?
Anybody hit?
I'm good. I'm good. Move in the cup and secure the dog.
I don't know.
I got a firearm.
Are you hit?
No, I'm okay.
You start pulling trigger.
Yeah.
I watched.
You pointed it right at me.
Yeah, I know. Anybody calling out yet?
I called shots fired.
Everybody good? Everybody good? All right.
I'm loading up the door.
Cuff them up.
Alpha!
Yeah, gloves. Tell me something back there.
What? Start medical. All right.
Keep breathing.
You good, brother?
Still moving.
All right. All right, we gotta get him on his back. All right.
SO has EMS en route. Yeah. 6 is secured. The shots fired. We'll have 161. I'll go get him that kit.
All right,
There's a handle, the butt of it.
there's a handle here.
My taser's over here somewhere. I dropped it when he pointed the gun at me.
It's right here. Right here.
Correct. Oh shit. Lieutenant Johns is coming in.
All right. All right.
Shots fired, shots fired.
Everybody good?
Anybody hit?
I'm good. Move in the cup and the skill gun.
I don't know.
I got a firearm. 1991, are you out there? Check
Everybody calling out yet?
I'm good.
I called shots fired. Let's cuff him up.
Yeah, gloves.
H9 they have EMS en route.
Still breathing.
I can't talk to you.
Still moving.
All right, we gotta get him on his back.
Put his back.
SO has EMS en route.
Yeah.
6 is secured. The shots fired. We'll have 161.
I'll go get him. I'll go get him. There's a handle, the butt of it.
There's a handle here.
We have 161. Goes on 6. I couldn't copy. You have a 61?
Right here.
Correct.
Lieutenant Johns is coming in.
All right. All right.
What do you guys want with this firearm? I unloaded it at the least.
Well, our lieutenant's right here. Let him take photos.
All right.
Good. Do not do it! Stop! Do not do it! No! Shots fired. Shots fired.
Shots fired. Everybody good?
I'm good.
Everybody good? Anybody hit?
I'm good.
I'm good. You've been covering the skill guard.
You good?
I don't know. You hit this?
You started pulling trigger.
Yeah. I saw him in the sleeve.
I watched. You put it right at me.
Yeah, I know. Fuck. Anybody call it out yet?
I called it out.
Shots fired?
Yeah.
Everybody good? Everybody good?
I'm good.
All right. I'm loading out the dog.
Oust it! Oust it! Oust it! Oust it! Let me send medical.
What? Start medical.
423 SO4.
Go ahead.
Suspect down. Send medical.
Take care, man.
You good, brother?
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh, yeah, I got my back.
Yeah. 6 is secured. The shots fired.